What's cooking, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Before I get into the recipe, I just want to wish all of you who are observing a very happy Ramadan. I want to share a few Ramadan recipes, so I hope you stick around for that. And in today's video, I'm going to be making my air fryer chicken tikka skewers. Yes, they are made in the air fryer. That makes this recipe super easy and super fast to make for Ramadan. I make my homemade marinade for these, but most of these spices you can easily find in your local supermarket, so you have no excuse to not try these out this Ramadan or just as an appetizer throughout the whole year. Do consider subscribing if you're new here and you'd like to join the foodie family, and also hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload a new video. And now let's get cooking. Here are all my spices for the chicken tikka. It looks like a lot, but I will go through each one in a second. I have 2 chicken breasts here already cleaned and cut into bite-sized chunks. And to this I'll be adding 4 garlic cloves that I finely chopped. Then I have 2 teaspoons of onion powder, 1 teaspoon or to your taste of some black pepper, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, half a teaspoon of garam masala or allspice powder, 2 teaspoons smoked paprika for a smoky depth of flavor, but also for the bright red color, 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder or cayenne pepper powder if you have that instead. Then add some salt to your taste. And the liquids for the marinade, which will be 2 tablespoons of oil of your choice, lemon juice from half a lemon, and 2 heaping tablespoons of plain yogurt. Then with some gloves on, I'm going to mix all the spices and the liquids up and really incorporate everything to coat the chicken really well. You can use this chicken for chicken tikka masala or prep the skewers like I will show in a second and freeze them till you're ready to cook them for Ramadan or any other occasion. Once they are mixed, you can marinate for a couple of hours before cooking them. And as the chicken marinates, I'm soaking the skewers in a little water in order to prevent them from burning in the air fryer. After the chicken is marinated and the skewers have soaked for about 15 minutes, I'm going to put the chicken onto the skewers now. Since I'm using smaller skewers for my small air fryer, I can only put about 3 to 4 chunks on there, but if you are going to bake these, you can use a longer skewer as you need to. Once all the skewers are done, we're going to air fry them. Firstly, I'm preheating the air fryer up at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Always preheat your air fryer as it acts like a small oven. And once this is preheated, you can add the chicken tikka skewers to it. I can only fit about 4 at a time, but obviously this will depend on the size of your air fryer. And then I will air fry these for about 15 minutes for each batch and let the air fryer do its thing. Halfway through, my air fryer is indicating to turn it over, which I will do so now to get the other side golden as well, like this one. And these are already looking beautiful and juicy. You can put them back in the air fryer for the remainder of the time on your air fryer and cook them till they're fully done. And now this batch is done. Look how beautiful and golden brown these look. They look super amazing. You can take them out on a plate one by one and keep cooking the rest of your batches as you need to on the same 375 degrees Fahrenheit temperature and the 15 minutes time range. And this is how I would present them, with some lemon wedges on the side. But first I would brush these with some melted butter just to make it luxurious and to make them glisten and look super juicy and beautiful. I also made some cilantro yogurt chutney or sauce, but you can serve these with any sauce of your choice. Then you want to garnish these with chopped cilantro to really complete the final look. And guys, you can prep these ahead of time, cook them on the stovetop for chicken tikka masala or butter chicken recipes, which I've also shared on my channel here. Or you can bake them in the oven till fully cooked and browned on the outside. But since I love using my air fryer so much, I wanted to give this as an option to you all. This makes cleanup a breeze, but you get to eat an amazing chicken tikka appetizer for Ramadan or just because. Let me know in the comments below if you'll be trying these out. I absolutely loved creating this recipe and sharing it with you guys. So that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed my easy air fryer chicken tikka skewers. You can always make these ahead of time and freeze them for at least a month or so and just cook them whenever you are ready. You can make them in the air fryer, you can bake them, or you can even make them on the stove top with a little bit of oil, and they are going to turn out beautiful. So make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe before you leave. I'll be seeing you in the next one, guys. Until then, take care of yourselves.